So what's going on, everyone? Today's the 13th of November 2023. Real quick, I'm doing an Algorand price prediction into the market. You guys can already tell real quick that the price is still trending. The market currently in Algorand is still bullish. The ascending line hasn't been broken. It has been cracked right there on November the 9th. Price tried to break through that trend line, but it wasn't successful. The buyers still came into the market, and the price in Algorand continued to go higher. You guys can see that the market has actually hit our ultimate TP price just yesterday, November the 12th. 10.5%, well, 10.05% there. At the high of yesterday, we've been around 16, almost 17%. So you can see that the market actually exceeded our resistance area. So we need to take this to the high from yesterday. Okay, so this is where the actual sellers into the market in Algorand is currently positioned. And you guys can actually see now that we have a pretty wide range between where the sellers are versus to where we're suspecting the buyers are going to be. Okay, so that's a pretty wide range. That's why the market is currently down 5.5% into the market in Algo. So let me go ahead and actually move this line up here to the highs of this area. And we're going to look at the price action in Algorand on a weekly time frame to see if the market is still bullish, because obviously it is on the daily chart. So looking at this on the weekly chart real quick, you guys can see that last week was fantastic. We actually saw the price action in Algorand become more bullish on the weekly time frame, which is great. Lets us know that the market currently is still trending to the upside. Look at Algo on the 2 weeks. Okay, here it is on the 3. Since we started out on a new 3-week price bar, you guys can see on the last 3 weeks, look at the spread, look at the volume that came into the market in Algorand over the last 3 weeks. So it may seem as if this run that Algorand currently is on may not be over. We may need to extend our next resistance area outside of what we have right now to this area here. Okay, given the long-term charts. See this on the 5-weekly chart as well. The market in Algo closed at the high of the bar. So yeah, we may be down 5% today, but looking at this on the weekly, the 3 weeks, even as on the 5-weekly time frame, the market in Algo is still trending bullish. Okay, here it is on the 5-day chart. You guys can see that currently the market is getting inundated with some selling, with the lack of demand to where the price is closing off of the highs. Here it is on the 3-day chart. You guys can still see the selling there now. Okay, you guys can still see that. So yeah, be prepared for the price in Algo on a shorter time frame to continue to go lower. The 2-day chart, see that indicator already triggered that the market in Algo is still bullish. Okay, so we may see the market run back down to 13 cents. May see it come all the way back down to this trend line, just like it did here on this 2-day price bar. 7-hour chart is what I'm talking about to show you that yes, weakness is currently hitting the market in Algo. So allow the market to come back down, test some areas of support. Like I said, 13 cents, maybe even 12 cents over the next couple of days. Here it is on the 1-hour chart. We're still seeing a lot of weakness entering the market in Algo. Started right here. Well, the selling started here on this 1-hour price bar because the volume definitely came through. High volume, market closed off the high. And look at the reaction. So it tells you that this is where the selling began into the market in Algo. Currently we're getting this indicator of weakness right now, push to go down bar. So allow the market to trend and go lower. That's what I'm looking forward to, at least in a shorter time frame. 330-minute chart, market in Algo is still showing us the weakness. So let's see how low the market's going to go before the buyers step back in. But the longer term chart still looks bullish. So it all depends on your time frame. If you're a shorter term holder into the market in Algo, then the market still looks like it could go lower. If you're a longer term holder, i.e. weekly, monthly time frame, the chart is still reflecting that it's bullish. Okay. So let me do this. We're going to look for the price in Algo to continue to go higher, all because of we don't do this price prediction on a day-to-day basis. The last time we did a video was on what, November the 6th. So here it is, the 13th. Let's go ahead and look forward to the market in Algo to go higher. Here's the first area of target, the high that came in yesterday, 14, almost 15%. That's 7.5% there. Second target is going to be up here towards 15.5, which is around 11% there. This is the third target, but I'm not going to extend it that high because I definitely need to see how low the market's going to go in this week. It's currently Okay. So we'll just hold it there. Now, I don't want to see the market in Algo go no lower than 12 cents on this initial stage of price going down, because that's what I'm expecting in short term. All right, so that's it. You guys are up. Go ahead and give me your thoughts about Algo. Do you guys think price is going to continue to go higher, or do you think we're going to see the market go down? Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.